Okay, this is a test stand that we made up many years ago. Two things we're going to do. One is to test hydraulic pumps. I can test about 12 to 14 gallons a minute here adequately. Oil flow will go through the flow meter here. We can see the pressure versus how much flow to tell whether or not the pump's either good or bad. That's what we're going to do right now. So you can see here we're approximately 5.5 gallons a minute with zero pressure. Now, as we load this up, what we're looking for, pressure will increase, and we're watching to see what happens to our pump flow. As you can see here, notice how the pump flow is going down as I try to bring up pressure. So you can see at only a couple of hundred psi, 200 or 300 psi, my flow is falling down to zero. Because all we're testing is the pump. That's an indication that the pump is shot or in need of serious repair. So that's what we do a lot here is flow testing. Now the other thing we use this for is for testing hydraulic cylinders after we repair them. We'll have hydraulic cylinders sitting over here. We take this pump, the pump we're testing out, we'll put it in our standard good pump. This pump will go into the same spot. Then this pump provides oil over to our control valve, our relief valve, all of our gauges, all of our ball valves. That allows us to move hydraulic cylinders back and forth, to turn hydraulic motors, and test them, to do a good test, so when the customer takes them out, we can test them. This will allow us to go all the way up to 3,000 psi as far as a static test for leaks. Once in a while, when we tear down a cylinder and we have a bent shaft or something else, we will use this same system to actually push out a bent shaft. So it helps on taking stuff apart too. Very important piece of equipment. So this will all this will go together, with the exception of the flow meter. Other than that, the rest of it's all together.